Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am Shahida Rozi from Divisional Public School, Model Town, Lahore. I am your maths teacher. Hope you all are well and safe at your homes. Today I am going to start first lecture of Maths Class 1. Before starting the lecture, make sure you have your stationery and countdown book with you so that you can solve your syllabus pages with me. Here is our first term syllabus, which is also available at our school website. We will cover these topics for first term inshallah. Today we will study about counting of objects. So let's start today's lecture. The learning outcomes we will achieve from today's video are counting the objects and color the objects according to the numbers. First of all, we will learn how to count objects. Look at your screen. Here are some stars. Count with me. 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5 stars. There are total 5 stars on your screen. Count again. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are total 5 stars on your screen. Let's count some more objects. Count with me. There are some sun appear on your screen. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 suns in total. There are 3 suns. 1, 2 and 3. Now let's count the objects and color them accordingly. We count objects. If there are 4 in total, we will color them red. 5, we will color them yellow. And if these are 9 in total, we will color them blue. Wow, beautiful hearts are there. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 hearts, so we have to color them red. Now, look at these beautiful moons. These are 5 in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 moons and we color them yellow. Now count these cute clouds with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are 9 in total. We will color them blue. If there are 9 objects, we have to color them blue. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and understood the concept well. And before ending today's lesson, you have to do some practice work and solve page number 1 and 2 from your countdown book. These 2 pages are for your practice. Thank you and take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.